Have you ever been in Gorilla Tag and thought to yourself, what is our world like? How does a forest connect to a canyon, connect to a cave, connect to a whole city? Well, in this first episode, I'm going to be answering that question. Welcome to Gorilla Tag Theories.
As I said, Gorilla Tag's world is all messed up, but I have a theory that can fully explain the current state of Gorilla Tag's world and why it's like this. Before I begin, I just want to say thank you for all the support and subscribe if you enjoy content like this. So before I explain anything, we need to go back to 1912. There was a man named Alfred Wegener who hypothesized that the continents of our world were all in one piece millions of years ago, or Pangea. Pangea means all the earth in Greek, but how does real life tie into a VR game? Well, take a look at the supposed formation of Pangea. Now take a look at the Gorilla Tag map. They both look similar, right? Well, sort of. You see, Pangea did not only start like this, but it started to drift around and make different shapes. Therefore, that means that the Gorilla Tag and the real world are somehow connected. Now, remember how I said that the continents can drift? Well, that took place over millions of years, therefore we cannot pinpoint a time this actually happened. It is just a theory after all. But saying that this theory was true, then this makes the Gorilla Tag map a period of time when Pangea was forming. This can be anywhere between the beginning of time to now. That is why it's all cluttered. Going on to a future theory, the gorillas in Gorilla Tag must be in the early stages of human evolution. They are primates, so they are quite close to humans. This allows further evidence that Pangea and Gorilla Tag's world are connected. As you can tell, the gorillas are still evolving, so not all features of a human are there, such as legs and visible hair.
But wait, there's more. In the current, at the time of recording, January 2024 Science Update brought a cosmetic that shows what the gorilla's bones are like. Humans have 24 ribs, and gorillas have 13. Looking at the X-ray cosmetic, there are 13 ribs. This can also prove that the world is an early version of our real-life world. But back to the full map. We can pinpoint what map equals what continent. To start, forest is most likely Europe due to Europe having the most forests. Canyons is most likely Africa, they have a lot of deserts. Beach is Australia because Australia is home to around 10,000 beaches. Caves is just underground of Earth due to being completely underground. Mount is definitely Antarctica, and which I will not explain. And last but not least, clouds is exactly what you think it is, the sky. Since Gorilla Tag will occasionally add new maps, we can basically count those as new continents. If the volcano from September 2023 comes back forever, then that would shake up the theory a bit. Along with that, there are some confusing things about the evolution of gorillas, like how do they have full computers, or ray guns, or brains in a jar? Well, I will be explaining that in the second episode of Gorilla Tag Theory, so stay tuned. Along with this supposed space update, in quotes, maybe coming to the game at the time of this recording, I will be able to add on if they show the full Gorilla Tag Earth view, allowing me to fully know what the map looks like from outer space. Remember, these will be in the future, so I have no full way of foretelling what might happen. But remember,
That's just a theory. A Gorilla Tag theory. Thanks for watching.